Hello guys and welcome back to Unlock Force for another useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix cannot create account. Your Apple ID cannot be used to create accounts for other apps. So guys, sometimes you face this problem on your iPhone while creating accounts for different apps. So guys, if you're facing this problem on your iPhone, you will have to watch this video to fix this problem. So guys, here I will give you some solutions that will help you to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution to this problem is that you will have to make it sure that you are above 13 and your Apple ID age is above 13. So guys, open settings, tap on your profile, and then again tap on your personal information. So as tap on date of birth. So as here you will have to make it sure that you are above 13 on your Apple ID. So let's go back and then change your date of birth if you are not above 13 on your Apple ID. So guys, open again and then from here change your date of birth. So guys, after this, the second solution to this problem is that use another Apple ID on which your age is not less than 16. So guys, after this, use another Apple ID to fix this problem on which your age is not less than 16. So guys, after this, the third solution to this problem is that you will have to delete that app on which you are unable to create account. So guys, open general, tap on iPhone storage. So guys, from here you will have to open that app like I am opening InShot. So guys, from here you will have to delete that app and then you will have to again install that app to fix this problem. So guys, after this, the final solution to this problem is that if you're still facing this problem, you will have to contact Apple support. So guys, open your Safari browser, tap here for support.apple.com. Here it is, tap on it, wait for some seconds again. Select your device like iPhone or iPad, again scroll it below, and then here you get the option of get support. So guys, from here you can get any support from the Apple authorities. Hopefully they will help you to fix this problem. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.